honestly have to say that it makes the detox at the end of the day easier, because you know what each other's talking about and you can vent it and get it out before you go home, and then at home you don't have to talk about work.
And you have that common understanding of each other's issues, the things that you work with every day, and your goals as well as your struggles.
For me, I think it's been great just because I get to see Mary Melissa every single day if I'm coming across the building wanting to deliver something for somebody else. So now,
yeah, so I'd say we still debrief a bunch when we go home. Because you're right. I mean, we do two totally different things. His brain is in logistics. Matt is buried in design all day, and so it still is fresh. We do enough of a different, role here that we're still able to kind of help each other out and vent and, talk about the day's progress, and it keeps it interesting.
If you have a good friendship and then something goes wrong and you end up in a bicker, or you can't have that at work. So you really have to be aware of what those boundaries are and respect each other enough not to violate it.
Exactly. Finding time in the morning to have coffee, or in the afternoon to chat after work, and then go our separate ways, and come together on the weekends and go out on a date and get to know each other better. And then in time, blending children together, getting them to know each other. It's been a long process, but it really has worked out well.
Slow. Needs to be slow.
I really enjoy that I get to see you work. I've never had that experience before, so it makes me just, see you in action and see you every day. That's just a cool thing that not everybody gets to enjoy, so. I don't know.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Personally.
Okay, sorry.
Just around the corner, flying all over.
I'm serious though.
I'm like, man, my wife would be just like, like all that stuff.
If Travis ever said that to me, I'd be like, yeah, you watch me work, don't you? You can get up and do something.
And,
That's cool though.